The last video was about creating requests for a pickup. This video tutorial is now about creating a request for destruction. To start, just click the destruction button in the Make a Request section in the dashboard. There. Now, my first step in making a destruction request is selecting a destruction date. I'll select the destruction date, and again I have the option if I want it to be rushed. These are the boxes that are available for destruction. Now, you can select the boxes you want to be destroyed. Click the checkbox in the upper leftmost part of the table to select all boxes to be destroyed. There. Click Add to Destruction List to add all the checked boxes to the destruction list. There you go. In case you made a mistake, remove the boxes in the list. You can click the Remove All or just the Remove. Creating a destruction request is almost the same as creating a retrieval and repickup request. If you want to see the other boxes, it also has a search function. And you can go to another page by clicking the page numbers in the pagination in the boxes available for destruction section. Then there you go. Let's add another boxes for destruction. So I'll select six items to be added in my destruction list. Now I'm done adding boxes to the list. Now I'll just click Submit. My request has been sent, pending for approval for my supervisor. This video is now finished. Thank you.